Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make caramel apple cider cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 1 cup of unsalted butter, and you want that softened, so that is 2 sticks. Then we need 1 cup of granulated sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 7.4 ounce box of Alpine spiced apple cider instant original drink mix, and so that will be 10 packets. We're going to use all 10 packets, and they're found next to the hot chocolate mix. Then you need 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then 1 14-ounce bag of the Kraft chewy caramels. Now, I only got the 11-ounce bag, so I might be 1 short because you should be able to get about 30 cookies, and so this only had 29, so you want to go one of the 14-ounce bags instead. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350, and then you want to line cookie sheets with parchment paper. That's important because you don't want them to stick to your cookie sheets. So in a small bowl, I'm going to whisk together my flour, baking soda, baking powder, and cinnamon, and just set that to the side. Alright, that is nice and whisked together, so I set that to the side. So next, in a large bowl, we are going to beat with an electric mixer our butter, sugar, salt, and all 10 packets of our apple cider drink mix powder until it's light and fluffy. Alright, that looks pretty well mixed to me, so I am going to beat in 1 egg at a time and then my vanilla extract and just mix it to combine. Okay, that looks good to me. So next we are going to slowly add in our flour mixture and mix it just until it's incorporated. Alright, my dough looks and smells amazing. All I did was mix it with an electric mixer until it was pretty incorporated, and then I used a spatula and then my hands. It's not very sticky. So at this time, I went ahead and unwrapped all of my caramel. So you might want to do that before your dough is ready. Or it doesn't matter, it can just sit there for a couple seconds. So next we are going to scoop out about 2 tablespoons size balls and flatten them with our hand and stick a caramel in the middle of each one and cover it up. Alright, my first batch of cookies is ready to go into the oven, and I was able to get a total of 29, and just going to give you an idea of how big mine are compared to my hand. So we are going to go ahead and get these into the oven for 11 to 14 minutes until they're very lightly browned around the edges. They might not look done in the center, but that's okay because they will set up. Okay, my first batch of cookies is out of the oven, and I just kind of slowly remove them off of the cookie sheet, still on their parchment paper, just onto the oven. And we're just going to let these sit here and cool. Once they are cooled enough to touch, we are going to try to flip them over that way, and we'll let them cool the rest of the way. That way your caramel doesn't leak out of the bottom. So we'll just let these sit here for at least probably 10-12 minutes, and then I'll check them. Okay, my second batch just came out of the oven, and as you can see, I already flipped over my first batch, just because you can see the caramel right there. That could seep out of the bottom and just make a little bit of a mess. That's why you want to flip them over. So we're going to let these all cool off and see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, my cookies are all cooled off. I was able to get 29 total, so we are going to go ahead and see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.